Hello, this is Rodney, the admin for winnersonlylotto.com, and this demonstration is to help those who are struggling with wagering. Wagering is key because it determines your ROI. ROI is your return on your investment. No business can function without return on the investment. That means your profit must be larger than what you originally invested in. Well, that would be the long-term goal. This example that I'm utilizing is for the state of Texas. On April the 25th, in the day game of the official lottery results for the state of Texas, the number was 258. 258. So I'm already logged into the membership, as you can see, and I'm going to use this as the demonstration for this video. Okay, so 258, you have three options. You can either opt to play for a single digit to return, a double to return, or a triple to return. So we basically tell you some of the better days for playing single digits are Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday. Or we tell you some of the better days for playing doubles are Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays, or behind trigger numbers or perhaps zeros. Triples, you must follow the triple calendar. In this example, we're going to enter the 258 and click single. Hit get winning digits. The algorithm organizes everything for you guys. Most lottery players are not organized. You guys play sporadically. What this system does, it keeps you organized with structure. So the 258 became organized from highest to lowest, therefore making the 8 the super hot numbers, the 5 the hot numbers, and the 2s the warm number. So therefore, as we tell you over and over and over again, you can have consistent hits playing the red numbers first from this box, then playing the red numbers second from this box, and then playing the red numbers last from this box. Each person individual results will vary based upon their own monetary efforts. Okay, so not everyone is going to win the same amount of money because some people bet less, some people bet more. And as you can see, each box have a set of red numbers, green numbers, and black numbers. What this algorithm has done has broke down which numbers are the most likely to return and most likely return, and the hottest, super hot, or the hot, or the warm by color code, therefore giving you better choice selections. Some players could choose to play the entire set of numbers and still make a profit on online platforms. Some players will only choose to focus in on the red numbers, and some will therefore choose to work on the green. Now, when you play from these three boxes are mainly designed for box hits only. So therefore, you must put insurance on your bets. If you are a risk taker and you would prefer to have more straight hits, then we have the option to where you could be shown all red, green, and black straight hits, or just show all red and green hits. Remember, the object is to increase your return on your investment. So as you can see, red and green, the returning number was red, 590 in the state of Texas. 590 in the state of Texas. Okay, there's your hit. Now, you can therefore, if you wanted to show yourself all straight hits, red and greens, the algorithm reduced a 6-way combination down to 4. It reduced it to 4. So just like here, your first number was 827. 827, it reduced the 6 numbers down to 4. Then it organized them in which would be the most likely position for the numbers to fall, first, second. So the 8 returned in the first position, 8 in the second position, second position. As we were told, and as you have seen and witnessed, the 5 returned in the first position, first position, second position, and second position, therefore leaving out the black where the 5 would have been in the last position. You could have easily come here, filled out your tickets, because the red box, this is your red box in the super hot box, this is your red box in the green box, and this is your red set of numbers in the warm box, therefore giving you the same ability to play the reds and the greens from the particular boxes. These two particular boxes, super hot box and the hot box, are by far your most effective. As you see, regardless, the winning combination is still here, 590. These wagers could be placed from anywhere in the world, certain platforms, starting as small as 15 to 20 cents, 25 cents, 50 cents, $1, $2, $3, $4 max. There is no max play on your wager, therefore increasing your profit. Hopefully that video was useful and helpful in the wagering tips for the Pick 3 game. Thank you for watching. Remember to like, share our videos, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for being a member of winnersonlylotto.com.